So one thing that we offer at Spot On Plumbing is our Diamond Club membership. One of the big features is you receive 10% off all service calls. So whether you have a drain backup or you need a faucet worked on or replaced, any household type item, you'll get 10% off that service. Another benefit of that is you get an annual inspection. And so if you have a clean out outside, we will camera your sewer line and let you know the condition of your sewer. It will come with a free annual water flush. So we will flush your tank style water heater with that. There's a big discount on tankless flush services. And then we'll take a look at all the visible plumbing in your home and just kind of let you know where you're at. So if you haven't considered it, you may give us a call and we can explain more benefits and features that come with that membership plan and see if it fits you and your family's needs.